maino gango ina baba Kyabazinga ninze mutabaniwo asidikivo kuzika kaire ndi mwisemena
Stick on the beat.
Zireka mpagira obusoga bwange kubanga yenvira era leka ndogera olusoga luno kubanga lwentegera baba Kyabazinga waife wangalo bukedege bufe baba oli maino gango aina oli muti gwa mawa toninika bano obusoga bulaire tulini baba Kyabazinga ebirungi bingi ewaife kuba olutindo lweiwanga nife abasinga nife the power of Uganda wazira tusinga Busoga the power of Uganda Busoga yamani ni musoga soga tuogere tuli basoga bene n'olulimi lwaife abaderege tuli basoga bene n'olulimi lwaife bana basoga twerage tuli basoga bene n'olulimi lwaife n'abalyenda mwogere tuli basoga bene nimwe Baganda ife tetukatya tuli bantu bamanye Uganda ebyo ndiwe mwogera tirinda wamawanga mama kadaga nikuba kusoma tusomere irala tetukali bavu tukolere irala atera tukolela walala iseifa tukoba kugonzaganyanga tuli bantu beidini tuzira mukwera twendeza bana ife n'abakazi abalungi bemuwulira abandi bemubona kubona bava waife yenda ndi musoga twogere tuli basoga bene n'olulimi lwaife abaderege tuli basoga bene n'olulimi lwaife bana basoga twerage tuli basoga bene n'olulimi lwaife n'abalyenda mwogere tuli basoga bene nimwe Baganda ndi proud okuba omusogera ndogera ne bwemba ndi mu Kampala buli wentuuka bambuuza kubanga ziwame tobona bwentambula bwoba oyenda kulambula tuuka muyindo gyanumirwa obutondo bw'iwanga obona ensimukeeyo omwiga kiira yaya bananga obusoga buleire ibyo obona amadi agaitanda ebirungi bingi yewaife olusozi kagulu gye tuzimuka nife abasinga nife the power of Uganda wazira tusinga Busoga the power of Uganda Busoga yamani ni musoga twogere tuli basoga bene n'olulimi lwaife abaderege basoga bene n'olulimi lwaife bana basoga twerage tuli basoga bene n'olulimi lwaife n'abalyenda mwogere basoga bene nimwe Baganda lwaife ni musovu wa baba Kyabazinga kulusozi genge yinda ntumera kube isigaga baba ndi mwisemena Fuvu wa maino gango ina baba Kyabazinga ninze mutabaniwo asidikivo kuzika kaire ndi mwisemena
Stick on the beat.
zireka mpagira obusoga bwange kubanga yenvira era leka ndogera olusoga luno kubanga lwentegera baba Kyabazinga waife wangalo bukedege bufe baba oli maino gango aina oli muti gwa mawa toninika bano obusoga bulaire tulini baba Kyabazinga ebirungi bingi ewaife kuba olutindo lweiwanga nife abasinga nife the power of Uganda wazira tusinga Busoga the power of Uganda Busoga yamani ni musoga twogere tuli basoga bene n'olulimi lwaife abaderege tuli basoga bene n'olulimi lwaife bana basoga twerage tuli basoga bene n'olulimi lwaife n'abalyenda mwogere tuli basoga bene nimwe Baganda ife tetukatya tuli bantu bamanye Uganda ebyo ndiwe mwogera tirinda wamawanga mama kadaga nikuba kusoma tusomere irala tetukali bavu tukolere irala atera tukolela walala iseifa tukoba kugonzaganyanga tuli bantu beidini tuzira mukwera twendeza bana ife n'abakazi abalungi bemuwulira abandi bemubona kubona bava waife yenda ndi musoga twogere tuli basoga bene n'olulimi lwaife abaderege tuli basoga bene n'olulimi lwaife bana basoga twerage tuli basoga bene n'olulimi lwaife n'abalyenda mwogere tuli basoga bene nimwe Baganda musogera ndogera ni bwemba ndi mu Kampala buli wentuuka bambuuza kubanga ziwome tobona bwentambula bw'oba oyenda kulambula tuuka muyindo gyanumirwa obutondo Fuvu wa maino gangu ina baba Kyabazinga ninze mutabaniwo asidikivo kuzika kaire ndi mwisemena
Asleep on the beat.
Nzireka mpagira obusoga bwange kubanga yenviira era leka ndogera olusoga luno kubanga lwentegeera baba Kyabazinga waife wangalo obukedege bufe baba oli maino gangu aina oli muti gw'amawa toninika bano obusoga bulaire tulini baba Kyabazinga ebirungi bingi ewaife kuba olutindo lweiwanga nife abasinga nife the power of Uganda wazira tusinga osoga the power of Uganda osoga y'amaanyi ni musolosoga twogere tuli basoga bene n'olulimi lwaife abaderege tuli basoga bene n'olulimi lwaife bana basoga twerage tuli basoga bene n'olulimi lwaife n'abalyenda mwogere tuli basoga bene nimwe Baganda bene ife tetukatya tuli bantu bamanyi e Uganda ebyo ndiwe mwogera tirinda wamawanga mama kadaga nikuba kusoma tusomera irala tetukali bavu tukolera irala atera tukolela walala iseifa tukuba kugonzaganyanga tuli bantu beidini tuzira mukwera twendeza banaife n'abakazi abalungi bemuwulira abandi bemubona kubona bava waife yenda ndi musoga twogere tuli basoga bene n'olulimi lwaife abaderege tuli basoga bene n'olulimi lwaife bana basoga twerage tuli basoga bene n'olulimi lwaife n'abalyenda mwogere tuli basoga bene nimwe Baganda bene ndi proud okuba omusogera ndogera ni bwemba ndi mu Kampala buli wentuuka bambuuza kubanga ziwome tobona bwentambula bw'oba oyenda kulambula tuuka muyindo gyanumirwa obutondo bw'iwanga obona ensimuka ey'omwiga kiira yaaya bananga obusoga buleire idde obona amaadi ag'eitanda ebirungi bingi yewaife olusozi kagulu gye tuzimuka nife abasinga nife the power of Uganda wazira tusinga osoga the power of Uganda osoga y'amaanyi ni musoga twogere tuli basoga bene n'olulimi lwaife abaderege tuli basoga bene n'olulimi lwaife bana basoga twerage tuli basoga bene n'olulimi lwaife n'abalyenda mwogere tuli basoga bene nimwe Baganda baife ni musovu wa baba Kyabazinga kulusozi genge yinda ntumira kubeisigaga baba ni mwisemena
Basekanakyo headmistress wa Wanyange Girls Secondary School. Lunaku lwa leero tuli wano mu Lubiri lwayise ife ni inaife nga tuyidye okuyambaku okulongoosa ennimiro yaife eno olusuku lwaife luno mwidukira bulungi nti omwaka ogwo mu November baba waife yatufunira inaife. So abe Wanyange Girls tuli celebrating the 1 year of the royal marriage of the royal wedding. So twakoba tutibeka tujje mu lusuku abawala bali kulimere mu bimuli bali kusaawa twakola olusuku okutoolamu eisubi okutaamu manyuwa okubona nti olusuku lwaife lukula bulungi kubeera mperaano omuliraano bwe guba n'emmere era ey'emmere eba yiyo ife wali tuyidda kuvanga ewanyange tuyidde wano tuyunda amatooke nga maama atuwaatira nga tufumba nga tulya. So n'omulimu gwe tuli ku wano olwaleero ku Lubiri lwa Kyabazinga.
Ngabe Wanyange kike mwenumiriza mu kuba obufumbo buno buliwo ku Omwaka mulamba ngabe Wanyange kike mwenumiriza
nga Wanyange Girls tuli very excited nti Kyabazinga waife ni naife bali ntende era kyabe ekyokuboneraku ekyabawala baife bonabona abe Wanyange Girls nti omwana omuwala yena bw'okula n'osoma n'omala okusoma olina okufuna obufumbo ate obufumbo obutebengefu ng'era royal marriage bweri. So tuleeta wano abaana baife okwega omugaso gw'okufumbirwa, omugaso gw'okuba n'ennimiro, omugaso gw'okuba n'amaka amayondo, omugaso gw'okuba nti weeno osobola okwegemera mu waabanga oli kutereeza mu maka wooba. Mperano Owanyange Girls Secondary School isomero ly'abawala ate niifo tuli kumpi n'olubiri akusooka kato. Mperano ife Wanyange Girls Secondary School niifo isomero eri kumpi n'olubiri, so kitukakatako okuba nti luno olubiri twenigiramu okuluwiddaabiriza. Oba oyina eitaka wano erisinga bungi nti lya maramu, so omulimu gwe tujja okubaako nti tuyidda wano butinga sizoni bw'enaaba etandise entoyigo, tuyidda wano tusimbe muno ebidandaali, soya bean, leguminous plants such that eitaka lino litandika okuyira engulu, ebigogo byaife olusuku lwa inaife lube nga lutandika okuboneka obulungi ng'era bwe kisaaniire. So ejaba project yaife nti buli kiseera tuyidde nga tuluutako nga tuyidda tuleeta eno projects edinayiza ennimiro yaife n'engulu.
Fuvu wa maino gangwaina baba Kyabazinga ninze mutabaniwo asidikivo kuzika kaire ndi mwisemena
Asleep on the beat.
Nzireka mpagira obusoga bwange kubanga yenviira era leka ndogera olusoga luno kubanga lwentegeera. Baba Kyabazinga waife wangalo obukedege bufe baba oli maino gangwaina oli muti gwa mawa toninika bano obusoga bulaire tulini baba Kyabazinga ebirungi bingi ewaife kuba olutindo lweiwanga nife abasinga nife the power of Uganda wazira tusinga Busoga the power of Uganda Busoga y'amaanyi ndi musolosoga twogere tuli basoga bene n'olulimi lwaife abaderege tuli basoga bene n'olulimi lwaife bana basoga twerage tuli basoga bene n'olulimi lwaife n'abalyenda mwogere tuli basoga bene nimwe Baganda bene ife tetukatya tuli bantu b'amaanyi Uganda. Ebirungi bingi ewaife olusozi kakulu gye tusimuka nife abasinga nife the power of Uganda wazira tusinga Busoga the power of Uganda Busoga y'amaanyi ndi musoga twogere tuli basoga bene n'olulimi lwaife abaderege tuli basoga bene n'olulimi lwaife bana basoga twerage tuli basoga bene n'olulimi lwaife n'abalyenda mwogere basoga bene nimwe Baganda baife ndi musovu wa baba Kyabazinga ku lusozi gengeyinda ntumira ku beisigaga baba ndi mwisemena
Mas networking is not what going to make what my children are going to be. It is going to be you. Working very hard, being focused, and competing with nobody else but yourself. How many of you compete in class? Bad answer. Never compete with anyone. Your duty is to compete with yourself. Those are how pens are written. You know, when I go out there to speak, I am paid $1,500 to speak, just to speak. It tells you I'm very good speaker with a lot of sense in my head. So when I give you my time, you better take it. Never compete with your neighbor. Simply compete with yourself. And together we will. Together we'll do what? Succeed. We want everybody in one year to be a class A student. It doesn't help you being a class A student alone. It doesn't help you. As you're revising, you're hiding. My friend, if we won't get 100, it's okay. So guys, I come here as an example of a person who has worked so hard, who does everything for a reason. When I wake up and put on this, there is a reason why I'm putting it on. I am very careful in what I put on. Today I decided to put on fashion because I'm coming to meet young girls. You have to develop the whole. That is the body of clubs. You think I talk things without knowing where I'm ending up? I am ending up in the body of clubs. If you come to school and you will think that all the time you will be in your books, yes, you will get those triple A's, but they will take you nowhere. If you want to be somewhere beyond class, you must have a skill. What has made me what I am is the way I speak. Very confident. Very good. I know. Simple. Don't scare me. I don't care who you are. The moment I know. The way I present myself, that if I come in here, you are going to be attracted to me immediately before you even see or hear what I say. You get the point? And the moment you keep your eyes on me, whatever I say, you will consume. You understand my tricks? Don't just wake up in the morning and dress as if you don't care. No, you have to be meticulous. You can hear. So that when you come out there, people are concentrating on you. Then the next thing they are going to concentrate is coming from your brain. It will not start from your brain. It starts from how you look like. I came here this morning and the school was very clean. And the girls were looking so neat. And I told the head teacher, that was my first impression of Wanyang. And it made me indebted. So I am telling you girls, clubs are critical for your health. They are very critical. You go there, you share with peers, you discuss with people, you think you have a big problem with this father of yours, but another girl has a worse father. Then you say, hey, yes, you are there crying. My father doesn't have time to talk to me. Another one, when he comes, he slaps. Then you say, hey, me, I am better off. Thank you, God. At home, we have this problem. When you share, you deal with bigger things that you can never deal with. Co-curricular activities are critical for developing a whole person. You cannot imagine, however bright you are, if you cannot communicate what you do, you're finished. How do people get jobs? They go for what? Interview. And the interview is what you do. You speak. Nobody asks you to write. Very few times do we ask you to. We ask you to. So when you come in the room and I ask you the first question, what makes you think you are the most qualified person? You have to hit it so hard. Make your impression. By the time I come to other questions, I'm giving you 3 marks. Because you already impressed me. How do you speak? These days, some of you come to interviews and they ask me, I ask you a question, and then after I'll answer it, you say, do you get? Oshtegera. Okay, after you speak, you say, okay, you get, you do what? That language we don't want in Wanyang. We are ladies, and therefore we must be humble. Lastly, humility. Even in the Bible, they say, go and sit behind there so that you are brought to where you deserve. Don't sit where you deserve so that you are taken behind. It is a big shame. Humility. We are looking for humility. Now, I want to thank all of you who are participating in clubs. How many of us are in clubs? By show of hands. Thank you. Now, I want meet young men in town shaking the keys to show that they have cars. But shaking the key is not what gives you a car. You have to work hard to buy that. The future is in your hands. The future is in your hands. It is up to you. It's not about your parents. It is not how rich your parent is that will determine your future. It is about how hard you work. And how you keep away from bad groups. Keep away from very bad. They don't help you. We don't want strikes in schools. We saw a debate club here. Let us debate our problems. Okay? Let us debate our problems. I don't want us to start boxing like some of our leaders do in parliament. They cannot talk to each other. All they do is to fight each other. Okay? We are not training you to do that. We are training you to be ladies. And for those from Busoga College, we need to be gentlemen. I want to thank God that I've gotten this time. And for me, I was elated. Today is one of my busiest days. The thing of Busoga is the love of my life. Anybody who wants trouble from me, you touch the chance. Anybody who wants love from me, you love. Because I am what I am, because I am a Muslim. I become a Muslim first before I become a Ugandan. When I die tomorrow, I'm going to be buried in Chibuka. And Chibuka is where? In Busoga. Where do I live now? In Kampala. I don't care. But my final resting place is where? Identity. Identity, identity, identity is the only thing that you can keep. Some of you cannot speak your languages. Go and start learning them. Identity is the only thing that we can keep. With this globalized world, a lot of things are coming which are threatening our identity. The only thing we can keep is in the Busoga. I don't care. And when we keep our identity, a lot of vices will not come to us. Because in our values, we respect elders. Even when you go to a bar and you find an old man, you will not start smoking shisha the way you girls are smoking shisha these days. You go to bars and you can't believe young kids killing themselves in a second. Shisha kills more than cigarettes. So yesterday, I decided to start working with the Lung Institute because I know a lot of you are going to be lung cancer. Yes, you do shisha, it is a simple answer. Lung what? So now I'm putting an institute for you there. If you choose to take those things and you don't respect your elders, what you will get is something you don't like. Some of you don't even respect us. You begin even thinking that a woman can be a man. Come on. A woman can never be, and a man can never be. May God bless you. I love you. That is a foul. That is a foul there. It is a foul. Chess, Okay. Much. Yeah. Go down. Guys, thanks. And now let me open your basketball court. And good for your future life. Thanks.